We are an importer of machine tools. We are importing CNC lathe, machining centers and bar feeders. And we always try to find the best solution for our customer. And our motto is, we search, we match. And because of this, Mylas caught our eye already several years ago, because they make very versatile machines against a very competitive price. And that's the reason why we noticed Mylas. The market situation in the Netherlands is quite tough because of, also because of the business trade war between China and the USA. But I think with Mylas we have a very good machine in hand, because I think the customer is able to make a product in one setup. You have with the DT42 or the GT or the DY, you have a very good possibility to make your product. I think the future for Mylas is, I expect very well, because the cost of labor is getting higher in Europe, in the Netherlands, and customers are looking for a CNC lathe which can make their complex product, their accurate complex product, in one setup. And I think, for example, you see here the DT65 with a double turret machine, double spindle, Y-axis, against a very competitive price. So I'm not afraid of the future. I think with Mylas we have a very strong card in hand.
This DT42 machine is a multitasking turning machine, and the machine is equipped with a BMT 45 turret with driven tools, and there's also a Y-axis. On the back side the machine is equipped with a gang type slide with 4 positions. So it will help our customers to produce precise and accurate parts in one setup.